Hi friends, in today's session I'll be teaching you how to be use Ra usage. So Ra ke within a prayog. So I'll there is we have two types of Ra. One is Paden Roop and another one is Ref Roop. So Paden Roop we have two. One will be like slanting line and one like in a greater symbol, like inverted greater symbol, like that will be like an inverted, and another one on the Shiroreka you will be having a curve. So for Paden Roop I'll be telling one example. Kram means order. So uh, how will be the pronunciation for will be for Kram? How we can able to identify it? First we need to spell the letter Ka. For that you have to spell the slanting line as Ra. So you have to spell the Ka to half. Kra. Ka. Half letter K. Then have to spell the slanting line as Ra. Then have the ending letter Ma. So whenever there is an ending letter in Hindi, it will be sounded like Im. So Kram. So it will be like this. Kram. So this is how we will sound. Okay. Kram means order. So first we need to spell the first letter of Ka into half, and then what we have to see the slanting line. So it becomes Kra Im. So Kram, Tram, and then Mra, Tra, Vra, Pra. So various sounds. So like that we have to pronounce it. For example, another example I'll give you is Prakar. Prakar means type. Brahman means tour. And Praman means the proof. And Shravan means hearing. So for you'll have a doubt. For Ra, Shra, you don't have a slanting line, how it is. So you have already Shra. The Ra letter is already there. So you don't have to worry about it. So Shravan means hearing and Graha means planet. So this is the one example for Paden Roop for slanting line, how we have to sound it. So first we have to sound Kra, Mra, Tra, like that whenever you see a slanting line. And next we have Priyatam. Priyatam means favorite. So first have to note it. So this is Pa. So this is Pa. But we have to sound it like in a half Pa. Like half Pa. And then you have a slanting line. That is Ra. You have to pronounce it as full Ra. You have to note it as full Ra. But you have a matra in this. Have a matra in this. It is E matra. So for that you have to put it like this. So you have put like this. So that is E matra. So this for Re, this matra will applicable to the Ra matra, Ra letter. So it becomes Re. Then we have as usual Ya, as usual Tha and Im. So this is Priyatam. So it Priyatam. This is Ma. Okay. So Ma, whenever as I told earlier, so whenever it is an ending letter, you have to sound it. Most of the 95% of the Hindi letters will be ended with the half letter. So you have to note that one also. So here we need to spell the letter Pa to half letter, and then for Ra only this matra will be applicable as Re. So then Priyatam. So it will be like this. Priyatam means favorite. Another example for Ra applicable matras I'll be saying you, that is Samrat. Samrat means emperor. Prachin means old or ancient. And frog. So here the frog will be, this is an English letter, frog. So how you need to understand in Hindi, frog means Fa. This word is Fa. So it is be sounded as Fa, half sound, and this Ra, this will be sounded as Ra. First we need to Fa, and then we sound this slanting line to ra, and then this ra for ra, this ra matra will be applicable fra, and this will be ka. So ending letter, so in Hindi it is frock. So have to go with the sound alone, not with the English translation. So if you understand the sound, it will be easy to translate any letters. And for Paden Roop, as I told, no, like in a two slanting lines will be joined like in a greater symbol, inverted greater symbol. So how we need to know that one? This is truck. So for ta will be writing like this, and for next second ta will be writing like this, and for da will be writing like this, and for second da also will be writing like this. So whenever you see in a letter, Vyanjan letter like this, you have to sound that letter also in the similar manner of the slanting line, but it will be like an inverted greater symbol. So how, like, why you have a slanting line and why you have a great like this two slanting line joined together? So why it is like that means here you don't see a standing line, so that you have a two slanting line. It's like this. So for this truck is normal ta ra ik. So ta ra ik. And this is drum ta, this ra, this matra will be applicable, and this will be as usual im. And train, tractor means ta ra re. So in English it is different. Go with this sound ta re afka ik ta ir, tractor. So this ra, this matra will be applicable. So this is Paden Roop, one concept for ra usage. And next we will be seeing the Ref Roop. So the Ref Roop has a little different concept. So this is sham. So in sham means shame. So how we need to found? First the letter sha as usual, and the above the Shiroreka we have to sound it like ir, 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 then im, sham. So it is an ending, so it is an half sound. Okay, first spell the half letter ra as ir, and the corresponding bottom letter also we need to sound it to the half letter when it is in the ending of a word. Okay, then another example I'll give you is arch. Arch means joy, Surya means sun, Varsh means year, Vasha means rain, Dham means religion. So here I'll give you another example for Garmi. So Gha ir. So have to just I'll be giving you how to note it. Then we have Garmi. So ma, me. How we write me? We'll be writing like this. So Garmi. So you can see like this. So for this, if there is a two, you how do you don't know how it looks different. So it is very easy like this. If it is in a any above the Shiroreka, if you see any Vyanjan letter like this, it has to be sounded to a half letter ir. So this is ga. So you see like this. So it becomes ir, and then ma, mi, garmi. Garmi means hot. So this is how the ra usage will be used on the words. So two types of ra, and then I told you all the examples. So it will be easy for you to know how to identify and learn the letters. Thank you friends. Subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos.